Welcome to the Forgecraft Inventor channel, a place of exceptionally creative ideas. Can you believe a tire can run without an inner tube? It sounds unbelievable, but this idea actually works. Instead of using a traditional rubber tube, a special substance is used. This material is pumped directly into the tire. Once it dries, it forms an extremely durable elastic layer. This layer prevents the tire from losing air when hit by sharp objects. Even when pierced by a nail, the tire keeps working. No tube repairs and no constant air pumping. This solution is especially useful for bicycles and long-distance travel. It saves time, effort, and repair costs. Most importantly, it improves safety while riding. A simple idea that challenges traditional thinking. Not everyone believes it, but the results speak for themselves. Innovation often starts with a small experiment. And this idea could change how we think about tires. If this idea surprised you, don't forget to like this video. Share it with someone who loves creative DIY ideas. Subscribe to the channel to see more smart inventions. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Innovation starts here. Thank you for watching.
Let me help you revive the light.
The car is finished. Let's check the speed of this car together. Let's go to the meeting point. Today, I'm going to give you in the next video. Thank you.